Hi there, I'm Chris, and in this video we're just going to look at some initial startup steps that you would need to take when you have a newly installed Quick Start website on your web hosting. If you are new to WordPress or websites at all, I would really recommend that you check out my WordPress dashboard in a nutshell video at the very least. That will familiarize you with the WordPress dashboard and where to find the basic things that you're going to need to look for. I also have other videos about what is a theme, what is a plugin, and these are just important things for you to know, but most essentially is a bit of familiarity with the dashboard. We also use in the Quick Start the Elementor page builder, so there is also a video that gives you a quick run through about how that works and what the various options are and how you would edit parts of your page. Those two, the WordPress dashboard and the Elementor page builder videos, are really essential viewing for just getting to grips with your website straight away. But I promise you the process is not very difficult and you will be flying around your website in no time. However, what are the first steps? What do you need to just quickly get sorted? That's what we'll look at in this video. So assuming you've looked at the dashboard video and the Elementor video, I wouldn't need to explain those elements too much whilst we're doing this. So let's get started. We want to initially set up the Quick Start website to be something more suited to our business. This is the Trifid Quick Start on a fresh install onto the web hosting. Now, as you know, it's a very simple trade services type of website, simple colors, a bit sort of, blocky and very straight to the point. Very simple little website. But before we even get to changing the content, we want to change the branding and the name of the website. So stuff like the name and the logo. These are the first things you're going to want to do. And all of the images on this website are from Pixabay or the equivalents. So they're free to use actually. But again, you would want to change those up. So we need to change the logo, the name, and know how to upload various images that would suit your business or be about your business. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're just going to get to grips with the site-wide theme elements. Okay, so we could go to customize our theme by clicking on this button here, but just so you're aware of other options, we're going to go back to the dashboard, and you could go to appearance and themes, and once you click on that you can click customize or just go straight to customize. So where we are now is again like Elementor really, and like the dashboard, all of the navigation is on the left, and so I always think it's just great to start at the top and work the way down. So we're using in this Quick Start the Astra theme, which is a fantastic theme. We're using the free version, which comes packed with goodies anyway. And so again, I think it's good to start at the top and work your way down. If you do that on this occasion, we would first handle typography. So that would be both of body and content. So this would be what would be used within the body text of your blogs, for example. And headings, the headings of the blog, we're using this font here. And the changes you make here would take effect across your entire website. So you're really setting the defaults. What we really want to do is go to header and site identity. So here we have the logo. Once we change this here, we'll always see that change take effect. So if we wanted to, for example, make this bigger or smaller, you're free to do that as you would like it to look. And then we can change the logo here. Now we don't have another logo, so how do we upload files to our website? Okay, the first thing is that when we're using Elementor or we're doing something like this, we've been linked to our media manager and media library. So we're already able to do that within a task that we're performing. If, however, I want to take you back to the dashboard, I just want to show you that as you'll see in the dashboard tour, you've got library and add new. So you could do that there. So once you click add new, you would add new media into there. So I'm just going to quickly drag that in. This is an alternative logo. It's a different color, so we can see the difference there. So let's go back to customize our theme and header, site identity. Let's change the logo. So this is how you change your logo in your new Quick Start package. It's as simple as, we don't want to skip cropping, but it's as simple as that. Okay, so now we've changed the logo, and obviously your logo would be rather different. The favicon is this little thing here. Now this needs to be 16 by 16 pixels. You can very easily jump online and find something that would convert your logo into some equivalent, but yeah, it's a case of just reducing the size and it should look okay. Now the tagline, we're not displaying the tagline here, but let's display site title. So let's call this PB Plumbing. Now, should we want that to be the name, then we could display that. And if we have a tagline, there we go. All your plumbing needs sorted. Okay, that's lovely. Right, okay, so that's how you'd set that, and you could even then increase the logo width if you wanted to make that more bold. You certainly could. So we'll leave that at that, and we'll take the site title away, and we'll also take that away, but you can see that's where you alter these elements. Okay, so we've saved the logo, and in doing that we actually know how to upload images into our media library, although we will take one last look at that at the end, just to ensure that you know how to upload images that you would plan to use. What I do want to show you is that when we use Elementor, that's a page builder that deals with this section here, the content, but the header and the footer is managed by your theme. So that's why it's important to know your way around your theme customization. So for example, we also have the the sidebar, which we would find is displayed in the blog area. So here we have the sidebar, and if you click on sidebar, you'll see that we have a default layout is no sidebar. If you decide you don't want the sidebar in your blog post, you would click default, and that would reference this. Again, if we go into theme customization sidebar, we'll see that on blog posts we have a right sidebar. Let's change that just to show you. Publish, go onto the website, and we see that we've changed that within the theme customization. Okay, so right sidebar is quite standard, so we'll leave it there. Okay, the footer, in order to alter things on the footer, these are the footer widgets. So if you want to change the color, then do so there. If you want to delete the widgets, then you click on this. So in this theme, we have the option to have 4 columns or none. There's also this, you can try that at some point, but I've obviously got a link in here. But if you want to actually change the widgets, then click on widgets, and in the footer widget area 1, we have a navigation menu titled helpful links. So you can start to see how that links up there, how you can make sense of that. Then we've got search. If you wanted to add another widget beneath that, you could do so there. Okay, and so on for that. So if you want to change this, our promise, click on that and add the text. So we've already looked at how to upload an image into our media library, especially when we're in the middle of a task, such as changing our logo, and it links us to that. So that's quite easy to do. But if you would like to upload a bulk of images that you know you're going to use on your website, at your dashboard, go to Media and Library, where you'll see everything that you have already, and then you'll click Add New. Now you can just drop the files into here. So for example, I've got a bunch of files here which I've taken from mainly from Pixabay or Pexels, which is where I would recommend you get your images, because you want nice quality images, and the best thing to do with images is to get your own high quality business specific photos, and then bring those into your website. I'll do a video on this very soon, but you would need to know that you need to keep images from being too big in terms of their file size. So I'll put some specifics in another video, but I would recommend that, you know, if you've got an image that's 4,000 pixels wide, you certainly don't need that. 1,000 to 1,200 pixels, that, you know, is very fine for a website, and it should look fantastic. You might want to consider also going to tiny PNG, and you drop the files in there, and then it reduces the file size for you. It keeps your website working a lot faster. But regardless, just for this demonstration, we will take a couple of images and swipe them in, and then we have these available to us now. So when we are designing our web pages using Elementor, we're going to be able to use these images. So as soon as that one's done, and there he is, let's go up. We'll choose a page. Let's do the home one, edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we are at the editing page with Elementor, and what we want to do is change this section's image. So I've clicked on this button here, and we go to Style, choose Image, and look at that, we'll grab that one, insert the media, and look at that, we're done already. Let's change that around down to color and typography. Yeah, that will do the job. It's just for the sake of just showing that it's all so easy, really. And there we are, we're able to use new images. So we've uploaded a new logo. We could have, if we had chosen to, changed anything that we wanted in the footer widgets, and then we've added media, we've added images, which we can now use within our design elements using Elementor. So that should be all you need to get yourself started. Again, check out the WordPress dashboard video and the Elementor page builder quick tour. And then those two videos with this one on how to change your logo and upload new media, and handle theme elements, or at least start having a look at them, should be all you need to get yourself started, and you'll become intuitive very, very quickly. And if you need any help, please do feel free to get in touch. But I'm Chris, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Hi there, this is Chris. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to look at more videos and tutorials, please go along to iamchrisgood.com, where you can find lots more videos on how to set up your own WordPress website using Elementor, the best page builder around, and it's free. So using completely free components, I will take you through how to set up your own WordPress website. If, however, you want to get your business online today with a full-featured, fantastic and beautiful WordPress website using the design elements of Elementor, which is a free page builder and an industry-leading one at that, please do go along to iamchrisgood.com, simply download the website that takes your fancy and follow some simple installation tips. And if you get stuck, please get in touch with me and I will of course help you out with that installation. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you at iamchrisgood.com. Have a good day. I'll speak to you soon.